Finding the MAC address. Up in the upper right hand corner, you'll see your settings tab. Right next to the settings tab, you have a network connection tab. Go ahead and tap on that. Then we're going to select config. In this case, we'll be selecting to the Wi-Fi. Then you want to tap outside the box to minimize the menu. Then select network settings at the bottom of the page in the center. Now you're going to get a control panel network connections window that comes up. And you'll see all your network connections here. In this case, we're going to be selecting the MAC address for the Wi-Fi adapter, but if you were connected to a wired connection, you would just select the wired connection that does not have a red X, and you would go through the same process. If we tap and hold on Wi-Fi and then let go, you're going to want to hold down on that for a couple seconds. And as soon as you let go, you'll get the drop-down menu that comes up. Select status. And then select details in your Wi-Fi status window. And this will show you all the details for that adapter. Third line down, you'll see your physical address. This is the MAC address for the wireless adapter. You can also find the MAC address if you flip open the Wi-Fi adapter. On the back of tag, you will see the MAC address in very small letters. If you're doing it that way, I would suggest taking an iPhone or a magnifying glass and zooming in on it. But the physical ID identified there is MAC address.